Local farmers are up in arms against the proliferation of smuggled agricultural products in the market. These are reportedly causing local farm produce to rot. George Mandola reports.
The country is losing at least 5 billion pesos due to smuggling of agricultural products every year. Alianza Agricultura confirms that smuggled vegetables and meat products continue to pollute Metro Manila's wet markets and grocery stores. Former Trade Undersecretary Ernesto Ordonez says the smuggled agricultural products come from China.
Tumatama yan ng at least 24 billion. Alright? 24 billion. Ngayon, 20% nun, no? Usually agricultura. So ang estimate namin, 5 billion pesos ang nawawala sa agriculture.
La Trinidad Benguet Mayor Edna Tabanda complains that more and more vegetable farmers in her town alone decided to pack up. She alleged that farm produce from La Trinidad are rotting and were unable to sell as more buyers patronized cheaper smuggled products.
And yung mga concerned agencies of government na talagang tutukan, no? Yang smuggling dito sa Pilipinas, no? And we're getting ready na. Sabi natin, let's prepare our farmers, no? Dito sa darating na akta. And it would really be affecting our marginalized farmers.
Bureau of Plant Quarantine affirms that the government has not issued any import permit for agricultural products. It is currently monitoring some unscrupulous traders who are responsible for the provision of smuggled goods.
Hinihiling ko lang po sa inyo na sa mga mamimili o sa mga consumers natin ng mga gulay na nakakabili ng mga smuggled, humingi lang po ng resibo, tandaan lang tindahan, and then ipadala rin sa telephone number na ibinigay ni Assistant Director at amin pong i-verify.
Sabihin ninyo kung nasaan, pag may nakita po kayong mga kahinahinalang carrots, o hindi lang carrots, pati yung onion, garlics, kahinahinalang ito ay smuggled, then sabihin lang po nyo sa amin, pwede nyo itawag sa 525-3470.
For Television, George Bandola.